Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate cash flow tracking with Mint alternative Monarch Money, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate cash flow tracking with Monarch Money, begin by visiting the Monarch Money website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. Fill out the necessary information to create your account. Once your account is set up, log into Monarch Money. On your dashboard, locate and select the Accounts section. In this section, you will be prompted to link your financial accounts. Choose the type of accounts you wish to track, such as bank accounts or credit cards. Follow the instructions to connect your accounts securely using bank-level encryption. After linking your accounts, navigate to the cash flow. Here, you will see a summary of your incoming and outgoing transactions. To categorize your transactions, click on the Categories tab. Create custom categories or select from predefined options to better organize your cash flow. Make sure to assign categories to past transactions for accurate tracking. Use the Reports feature to analyze your cash flow over various time periods. Adjust your budget based on insights gained from your cash flow reports. Set alerts to notify you whenever your cash flow falls below a certain threshold. Regularly check back in the cash flow section to stay updated on your financial status. Finally, adjust your spending habits based on the trends you observe in your cash flow over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.